Hey guys, in this video we'll show you how to quickly and easily convert a zip file to an ICO file. So one extension to another. For that, just type in Google any ICO, any to ICO like this, and just download this application right here. It's free to download, so just grab it for Windows or Mac OS if you're using that. Going to save it to desktop. There you go, and now let us just install it. The installation process is very simple. Next, accept this and just install it. Alright, and now launch it. And now guys, you just need to drag or choose your file. So in my case, it's this one. I'm just going to drag it. And now, as you can see, I can just convert it to ICO image. Now just press convert. There you go. And now, as you can see, my file is successfully converted to a disk image file extension, which of course is ICO. So if I go to properties, as you can see, it has the extension of ICO, just like promised. So this is it guys, very simple. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to like and subscribe.